Welcome to Thursday's Thought for the Day. If you haven't already read today's Bible passages, you might like to at least read Joshua 4 now. Tolkien's Samwise Gamgee stopped for a minute and said to his friend Frodo, "If I take one more step, it'll be the furthest from home I've ever been." And then he kept on walking. The home-loving Sam had never passed that way before, and he hesitated at the edge of the familiar, and after reflecting on the momentous step he'd take next, he took it. The Israelites had reached their Rubicon. For them it was the River Jordan. This was the irrevocable step. The die was cast once they crossed into the land God had promised. They'd been following the Ark of the Covenant, assured of the presence of God along the way. This Ark was carried to the very middle of the River Jordan, and the way was made for the people to pass over. God swept the barriers aside. True, their forefathers had experienced something similar as they crossed the Red Sea, but the new generation needed to see that God was just the same, not just in making their escape from Egypt, but in the fulfillment of his promise of a new home. We may need to cross our Jordan or Rubicon, taking that step that leads us not further from home, but ever nearer his home. A prayer. Father, in my travels, do not hide your face from me. Let me hear of your steadfast love every morning, for in you I put my trust. Amen.